Alright, we gotta change these ignition coils. Car is not firing properly. I went around searching. 2003 Lexus ES300. They wanted $80 for the coils at Auto Plus, which was Pep Boys, and then I got it at Arch Auto for $43, the ignition coil. So I got the print coat coils right here. Print coat. This is one ignition coil right here. This one. So I got two of them, and this is helps the car to fire properly. So we have to take them out. Okay,
you see
one out.
Let's see if this one's fine.
Okay,
no fire.
alright, look to you.
No fire.
Oh, word? So what's that?
Let me see what.
Clean it with a metal brush.
Come on, man. Matter of fact, just leave. Well, I'll just put it down for personal. Okay, go ahead, turn it again.
Ready?
Go ahead. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Alright, hold it.
Ready?
Yes. Do it again. Good. Go do it again. Do it again. Alright, look. stupid thing. Mix them up. Stupid. Alright, start the car. Start the car.
Starting now?
Yeah, start. That's one. Okay, that's good. Now,
All three are good?
oh, the front is, we just prepared the front. Let me see this one here.
So what's going on? About $5 or $6. Oh, the hose is missing now.
Yeah, just one hose. Somebody looked at this?
Nah.
No? No, my stupid mistake.
You need to number them or all you got? Well, that one is yellow anyway. Alright, good thing you got that one. Ooh. Oh, it's right there. It's right there.
Where?
It's right there. See it?
Oh, I see. Washer came off too. Need a washer. Okay.
Yo, what up, True? Alright. Yo,
Oh, the militia thing.
Up, climbed up in the engine. It's a new move right there.
That's a good thing. That's a beautiful thing. Went to church.
Got it. Got it good. And if you understood, would you? I got a great big bodyguard, so if you step up, who knows all the lyrics? QB. There's a couple of screws in the back. That's a pain in the butt. One was on the left side right here. The other's over there on the right side. And working on the right side. We got the left side one out, which was this one right here. This screw, which I think is a 14. Now we're working on the other one, which I think is a different side. What up, y'all? Brother gripping it with his hand. When tools don't work, hey, you got fingers. God gave us fingers, so turn it with your finger. And you can't find the right wrench. I think it's a 12. I think. No, I don't have a 12 wrench.
Give me some money. I'm going
Finally got it turning. What is that? This is a 12 millimeter.
12 millimeter.
12 millimeter to take loose. Now you need a tool like this now to get that back nut. That was the toughest nut to get off of this.
Oh yeah, this was the one. This right here. That was the one.
12 millimeter. To get back here to get this screw, you're gonna need a tool like this. 12 millimeter, small one. All right. Turn down. This is the toughest screw to get out. All this to change the ignition coils in the back.
Okay. All right. That's it. Put this back here. Pull this whole thing up here. Tell me she's still stuffing. Wait a minute. It's bugged. Look. Now I ain't gonna take it out of how much out of place. I'm gonna stick my hand back. I'm gonna change all these. Put these in the front so we can navigate it. We know all the ones in the front is good. Okay. So just gonna make a small adjustment. One. I done got so tired of this car. It's a shame. Senseless. That's all sensors on the screen. I'm telling you, sensors. All you need is what you call a clamp. Two clamps. Boy, this is something. This is worse than your other one.
Than the 96?
Yeah.
Nah, the 96 is harder to get.
No, this was worse. When I loosened up those nuts, it came loose. The whole piece came loose. You could even look at it. Now you got it on. You got it up there. You can look at it. This is worse.
Harder to fix, huh? Than the
Yeah.
96. 03 is harder to fix than the 96. What do y'all think? I don't know. I mean, mechanics out there watching this.
No, it's on the top. Easy to get to. This is hard to get to. Okay, now let's put this on.
Putting it all back together. All back together again. Put 2 new coils in the back.
That's good. Okay, give me all them screws you had on the top. Let's flip this way. Well, this ain't the one. Okay, wait. We have 2 lug nuts that's smaller. And we have. Okay, I see what it is. I see.
You want to wait. It's like a party every day around here.
Yeah. What's up?
Where they blast their music.
We're going to bust this out. Then tighten this all down. Get those back lug nuts. Get those shits in snug. One. This is a major league job.
Going back together is quicker, way faster than taking it apart.
Yeah.
Like putting it together is like 1, 2, 3. Taking it apart was like mission.
Some people don't put those screws back on. That's how serious they are. They're serious.
Those back screws, huh?
Yeah, them shits ain't no joke.
I know.
Then you have to change your coil again. Those are something the factory does. But I'm gonna put that center in. Okay. We're gonna put those in the same tape. Like this. That shit gonna be the root.
Putting these back screws on in the mission. Getting them off was hard. I think putting them on is a little easier.
No, I don't think so. Not at all. This is rough. Trust me.
This little screw right here. That thing took an hour to get off.
Trust me. Okay, that's good.
That's on? Oh.
Yes, already playing. We got a little cap here. And here. That's good. So I want to see so then flip that up and then line up. Let's get these screws in the back here. These screws ain't no joke, man. Yeah. Think you ain't gonna get it. You just come just out of nowhere.
Thank God we getting that screw in the back, man.
That's worse than that, man.
That's the worst screw ever.
It's good, but worse, man. Just burn in your mind where you have to come and erase everything, man. I'm telling you.
Alright,
Don't want the devil to see us.
The super wrench right there. That's the secret wrench right there. For that job. Better have one of those.
I need to lay down while I'm doing this. Just to warm the spot a little bit, you know?
Yo, that screw back there is no joke.
Yeah, that's the one, that's the top because the vibration coming from this, I'm not putting one in the middle, I'm putting one on the end, this end, that's good. There's a vibration, it stops the vibration. It's a hurt because of it.
Here's the other screw you gotta put in.
My hands are hurting
Back.
because of this. Because now that I'm here doing it, need that long extension. That screw went in there, right? The screw on the outside went in?
She's back and running. She's back and step on it.
Step on the gas.
She's back and running.
That's that little split.